Hello everyone, we are Wig Bangladesh. Today we will show you a ladies wig which is known as lace front wig. In this hair system, the base size is 12x6 and the density is light to medium, which is 100 to 110%, and the color is 1B, which is natural black. This wig is a popular type of wig that offers a natural and realistic look as the hair texture is straight. Also, it is soft, breathable and comfortable to wear. The cap will also include adjustable straps and combs, or you can say it clips, which will ensure a secure fit. Not only that, the lace on the wig can be customized to match your skin tone. You can use makeup or tint the lace to blend seamlessly with your scalp, giving the illusion of a natural hairline. However, we are able to customize any texture as per the client's requirements, such as kinky curly, wavy curly, etc. Let us give you some maintenance tips. Proper care and maintenance are essential to keep the wig in good condition. This includes regular washing, conditioning and styling with appropriate products. Human hair wigs may require maintenance compared to synthetic wigs. Before we finish the video, please be informed we are running a special offer for the wholesaler who's gonna order in a large quantities. They will get 40% off for this product. For more details, please visit our website www.wigbd.com and knock us on WhatsApp for an immediate response. Thank you so much and have a nice day.